Hi everyone! Are you ready to draw something super cool today? Yes? Yay! Let's draw a funny and cute owl together. All right, let's start with the head. Make a nice big round shape, just like a balloon. Now draw two big round eyes. Wow, so big they look like pancakes. Next, let's add the beak right in the middle, like a tiny triangle nose. Hoot hoot! Now it's time for the wings. One on the left side, nice and wide, like the owl is ready to fly. Great job! Now let's draw the round, fluffy body. Our owl is looking cuter and cuter. Can you see a little bit of the other wing peeking out? Let's draw that too, just a tiny bit. Now on the right side, we'll draw its little feet, strong and sharp for grabbing tree branches. And finally, let's draw the tree branch where our owl is sitting, relaxing, maybe watching the stars. Woohoo! You did it! Look at your owl. It's so adorable. Give yourself a big clap and maybe a little hoo-hoo dance. Don't forget to show your owl to your family and say, "Look what I made!"